Welcome back to my channel. Recently, I will start a new lecture series on data interpretation of UGC NTA NET Paper 1 and West Bengal Set Paper 1. In previous class or in first class, I will discuss the bar diagram or the bar chart of data interpretation. By using bar diagram, how we can solve the data interpretation part of NET Paper 1. Based on this topic, based on the bar diagram topic or the bar chart topic, today I will solve the December 2005 NTA NET Paper 1, UGC NTA NET Paper 1 question paper. So without any time waste, let's start our class. Is study the following graph carefully and answer question number 46 to 50 given below it. This is the December 2005 UGC NET Paper 1 question paper. This is the bar diagram or this is the data interpretation part, okay, which is based on the bar diagram or the bar chart. So this is the year of 1995, this is the 1996, 1997, 1998 and 1999. Horizontally, the year has been placed and vertically 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 has been placed. This is the quantity in lakh of tins and this is the value in crores of rupees. Okay, so in 1995 the quantity in lakh tins is 100 and the values in crores of rupees is 150. 1996 the quantity in lakh is 75, values in crores is 150. In 1997 the quantity in lakh is 150 and the values in crores is 330. In 1998 the quantity in lakh is 160 and the values in crores is 400. 1999 the quantity in lakhs is 200 and the values in crores of rupees is 500. So this is the bar diagram. Based on this bar diagram, we have to solve question number 46 to 50. So the first question is, question number 46 is, in which year the value per tin is minimum? In which year the value per tin is minimum? Okay. So option A is 1995, option B 1996, option C 1998 and option D 1999. In 1995, the value per tin is 150 crore divided by 100 in lakh, right? In 1996, the value per tin is 150 crore divided by 75 lakh. 1998, the value per tin means we have to first choose the value in crores, then per lakh. That means 400 crore divided by 160 lakh. In 1999, it means 500 crore divided by 200 lakh. Right? So how we solve this question? So here is the solution. Values of tins are, In 1995, 150 crore divided by 100 lakh is equal to 150. In 1996, 150 crore divided by 75 lakh equal to 200. In 1998, 400 crore divided by 160 lakh is equal to 250. And in 1999, 500 crore divided by 200 lakh equal to 250. So what is the minimum value of tin? That is 150. So the right option is 1995. So in this way we can calculate the values of tin. Crores by lakhs. Rupees by quantity. Okay. I hope you understand this question. Next question. Question number 47. What was the difference between the tins exported in 1997 and 1998? So here is the bar diagram. 1997 and 1998. We have to calculate the difference between the tins exported. So the option is A is 10, B is 1000, C is 1 lakh, D is 1 crore. So what is the difference between the tin exported in 1997 and 1998? Tin exported, that means tin exported in 1997 is 150 and tin exported in 1998 is 160. So 160 minus 150. So what we get? We get option D. Right? So the right option is 160 minus 150, that is 1 crore. Okay, so the option D is the right answer. Next question, question number 48. What was the approximate percentage increase in export value from 1995 to 1919? So here is the bar diagram. What was the approximate percentage increase in export value from 1995 to 1999? So what are the options? Option A is 350, option B 330.3, option C 433.3, option D none of these. So how can we calculate this? In 1995, what was the export value? In 1995, what was the export value? The export value is 150. And in 1999, what was the export value? The export value is 500. So how we calculate the percentage increase? 500 minus 150. That means final value minus initial value divided by initial value. Final value 500 minus initial value 150 divided by initial value 150 into 100. So this is the solution. So how can we solve this question? So here is the answer. The percentage increase is 500, which is the final value, minus 150. 500 is in 1999 the export value, and 150 is in 1995 export value. So final value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100. that is equal to 233.3%. So the answer is none of this. Okay, so the right option is D, none of this. Question number 49 is, what was the percentage drop in export quantity from 1995 to 1996? Here is the bar diagram and these are the options. Option A is 75, option B 50, option C 25, option D none of this. What was the percentage drop in export quantity from 1995 to 1996? The export quantity in 1995 is 100 and the export quantity of 1996 is 75. So how can we calculate the percentage drop? Initial value minus final value divided by initial value into 100. That means 100 minus 75 divided by 100 and into, and this is multiplied by 100. So we can calculate the percentage drop. So how can we calculate the percentage drop? Initial value minus final value divided by initial value into 100. In this way we can calculate the percentage drop. In the previous question we have calculated the percentage increase in 1999 and 1995. In 1999 the value is 500 and in 1995 the value is 150. Here the final value is greater than the initial value. Final value is 500 and the initial value is 150. So final value is greater than the initial value. Then how can we calculate the percentage increase? Then we have to calculate final value minus initial value divided by initial value. But in this case, the final value is less than the initial value. So in this case, we have to calculate in others manner, that is initial value minus final value divided by initial value. So in this way we can calculate the percentage drop. Okay. So the percentage drop is 100 minus 75 divided by 100, initial value minus final value divided by initial value, because the final value is smaller than the initial value, right, into 100. So the percentage drop is 75%. Okay. So the right option is 75%. Right. Hope you understand this calculation. Is, if in 1998 teens are exported at the same rate per teen as that in 1997, then what would be the value in crores of rupees of export in 1998? So here is the bar diagram and these are the options. Option A is 400, option B 375, option C 352 and option D is 330. So question number 50 is, if in 1998 the teens are exported at the same rate per teen as that in 1997. So in 1998 the teens are exported by the rate is 160 and in 1997 the teens are exported by 150 rate. Then what would be the value of export in 1998? So out of 330, if we export 150 to 160, then we can calculate the export value. That means out of 330, if the rate is 150 in 1997 and we have to replace 1997 by 1998 rate, that means 160 rate. So what is the answer? What is the answer? The answer is 330 divided by 150 into 160. So in this way we can calculate this value. So here is the solution. The value is 330 divided by 150 into 160. That is equal to 352. 330 is the values of crores in 1997, which is the quantity of 150. So 330 divided by 150, and in 1998 this has to be 160. And what would be the question? If in 1998 the tins were exported at the same rate per tin as that in 1997. In 1997 it is exported in 150. So 330 divided by 150 into 160, 352, that is equal to 352. So C is the right option. Hope you understand this calculation. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.